Hi guys, so I'm just gonna quickly prep my meal for tomorrow and box it up in a little lunch box. So guys, if you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, I don't know why you haven't, but make sure you tell YouTube to put you on and click that like button. And yeah, if you are returning, guys, I love you so much. You already know I love meal prepping, and meal prep is effective. It's if you're looking to put on weight, lose weight, you can monitor and watch exactly what you're putting in your stomach. So guys, I already went out and I bought a couple of things. So I'm just literally, there's not going to be cooking here. It's literally going to be putting a bunch of things together and making it look good. Okay, let's get into this meal prepping because I really want to spend about 5 to 10 minutes. The longest part about what I'm going to make today is literally prep time. Okay, so I've washed and cleaned a lot of the things, so we're just going to get right into it. Okay, and I'm just going to put everything in the bowl. Okay, so I've washed and cut everything, and all I'm going to do is because I'm meal prepping, I'm going to do 2 bowls of the same ingredient. Okay, you don't even have to cut these. You can just put them in like that if you want to. You don't have to cut these without the time. And then I've got my cucumber. Cut that off. You just rinse it. All rinse. Whenever I make salad cucumber, I like to take the middle bit out. Yeah, I always like to, because this is all the wet bit. Don't want the wet bit. Do that. This again, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then what I do, I put these in here. Peppers are so good for snacking. You can literally eat this with hummus or anything else that you want to have. So good. You like pickled gherkin. So the reason why I like I've got the gherkin. The reason why I like the pickled gherkin is because it's quite salty, and it adds a bit of salt to the mix. So I'm just gonna, if I can do it. I don't think I've got the strength to open it. Oh, can't do it. Oh, can't do it. Can't do it. Okay, so I'm struggling to open. This is perfect for snacking as well, but I can't open it. Oh. Oh, can't open. Can't beat a bit of sweet corn. Just drain that. All I need to add into here is some sweet corn, yeah? That is it. The bowl is getting a bit small. There's bits in here. What is that? Yeah, so that's the sweet corn mix. I'm gonna try again. Oh gosh, I can't do it. Okay, I'm gonna try using some blue roll. Oh, okay, I give up. Okay, one more time. Oh no, so not today because I don't have the strength right now. Right, so I've got this, and then what I'm gonna have is some wild rocket. I really like wild rocket because it's very fiery. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rinse my rockets now. Rocket. All that in here. All of it, gently mix it. I'm not gonna add any sauces or anything because I don't really need to just yet. And that is the mix. Yeah. And that is it. So guys, I got this salmon. It's sweet chili salmon, so I don't need to cook it. I just need to unpackage it. I don't always buy this because I do like to make my own flavored salmon, but when I don't want to use the oven or cook, and I still want to get some protein, then yeah, this works a treat. And then I've also got this sweet potato pakora. It's basically chickpeas, sweet potato, and in an Indian style. So these are quite good because you can eat them hot or cold. And then yeah, so I'm gonna be putting all of this together now. Don't worry guys, my hands are extremely clean. So all I do is I put this in together. Yeah, I want to put my salmon as the base. Yeah, and then I just sprinkle this. Yeah, just keep it to this side. Yeah. And then I'm just going to open this up now. Yeah. I can keep this for a different day. And then I'm going to open sweet chili. So all I'm going to do is drizzle some sweet chili on top. Yeah. Gonna drizzle some spice on top. Ooh. Ooh.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your